Yeah, back at it again.
You just learned?
Back at it again.
Oh, hold on, what's that?
Back at it again.
Rags bun, 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 wax, 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 rags bun, 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 wax, 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 wax.
Only this guy.
Okay. What up, guys? You know where we at, back home. So, update you. Done a lot since the last couple of videos you guys seen. It was sort of kind of like a week or two behind, but they was current for what's been going on. This video is going to be a current video for what's going on as of right now. Yeah, so I'm going to update y'all and show y'all what have I done to the car since the last time we talked. If you follow me on social media, you will know some of the updates that I've done. So let me show y'all. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got the car down on all fours. Yes, she do move back and forth. I had to get another steering rack currently because this one right here, this is the one I brought. I disassembled it, got what I need to get off of there. I got to junk that. Steering wheel not using no more. I have another one right there. So I got to put that back up in the car today. Well, tonight, matter of fact, 'cause this is like late at night. But for the most part, she moves. And everything's just about peachy. Dang, I still didn't get to that. And I just took that off. I think I got it over there sitting. I'll take it home and video it for everybody for Instagram. If you want to see that part, follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link in the bio or something for y'all guys to figure out where to watch me at on that. But this video right here is going to contain basically the rear end. So since we got the car down on the chassis, I decided not to primer the car yet. Yes, I know all that prepping and stuff I've been doing might have felt like to some viewers was for nothing because I was just leading up to a big thing. No, that's not the case may be. I'd rather pull this rear subframe, put it all back together. Well, do what I gotta do to the rear subframe, and put it back on the car, then primer it. By then, hopefully, my side panels be in, and all that other good stuff that I ordered. Because it seems like everything's on like a month back order, maybe a month and a half back out order. I guess they gotta make them handmade or something. I don't know. But that's what we're doing for today's video. We just want to go ahead and push this forward. Well, I'm gonna go ahead, fix the steering wheel, remove the rear end, and I'll show y'all how to do that in this video as far as removing the rear end. Oh yeah, just to update y'all, I went ahead and painted this because it was like real kind of like rusted, so I cleaned it up, just painted down with some black spray paint, and it looks decent, so I'm good. Truthfully, nobody's not gonna see it, but it was better for me to just go and clean it up, so that way, you know, for my future, how I am. I'm very kind of a little bit tedious when it comes to things like that, so it might not make a big difference to a lot of other people, but to me it did. But let me stop rambling. Let me get this steering column up in this car. Then I can push everything forward, do all that, and show y'all what bolts you need to use to drop it. So it's going to be kind of like a DIY, I don't know, one of them DIY videos, how to remove the rear subframe and whatnot. So, you know what we do. So, try to put the steering wheel back in, steering column back in, and it's a little difficult. So, I think I'm going to have to bring one of my friends to come in and help me, because it looks like it's like a two-man job. But I'm about to go and start jacking this rear in this car up and showing y'all the bolts that you got to do. The bolts that you got to remove to drop this subframe. So I'm about to push the car forward and take off the wheels, and then I'll cut you. Well, you know what we do. Cut you guys back on. So as you can see, I got the wheels off. I'm about to get ready to get underneath here and show you guys what you need, what bolt you need to take loose to drop the subframe. But first, god damn, this car been sitting here for a long time. I gotta clean this up. Look at this. It's literally got a stain underneath where the car was at. As soon as we get the subframe back up in here, I'm definitely pulling this car out and clean out this garage. You need it. Wow. Okay. So I finally removed that filler tank filler up there. I'll show you all in a minute what I mean by that. It's basically a tube that goes down to your gas tank. Excuse all the web and stuff. I guess I had this thing up in here too long and Spider-Man's been here. So there will be 4 bolts you have to remove. Run removing this rear diff. Bolt right here, number 1. You have to remove this. What I did was, you can also remove your coilovers or your shocks, whatever you have purchased on your car. But I had coilovers and I removed them from the top, the bolts from the top. So when this drops down, it's going to drop down all as one. Now, for what I understand, it's 4 bolts. So this is 1. Off for bolt number 2. Sorry if the camera's a little awkward, but I'm trying to show y'all while I'm doing this. Alright, bolt number 2 is right here, and there's going to be 2 more on the same side for the other side. And this subframe should fall. I'll let y'all know if there's any other bolts. I believe this is going to be a 17. Not sure. I will confirm with y'all in a minute, let y'all know if it's 17 or not too. But let me get ready to put a jack underneath of this, so that way it can support this up in the air, so that way it won't fall on me, because I got 2 jack stands plus a tire, as you can see, that support me. Sorry if the camera's a little sideways, well, the GoPro's a little sideways, but there you go. So about to see if the thing come down. Took out the 4 bolts. It was actually 6 because of this little plate. So I'm about to set you guys up, see if it drops down.
Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around a bit big crew. Got no need, she got no.
Brake calipers is in the way. Possibly brake lines I gotta cut or undetach, which you can see right here. Other than that, brake lines and possibly e-brake cable. I forgot that. Make sure you don't forget that in your if you're doing a subframe drop. So I got the subframe down. I cut one of the brake lines because we're not going to use that. Planning to go a different route with the whole brake line thing and brake calipers. We're going to do what's that? The 300Z rear brake lines on this, and rear brake calipers, and their rotors too while I'm at it. But it's like 6:03 in the morning. I'm tired, beat, and everything else, and I'm not feeling too hot. I'm gonna go home, lay down. I'll pick up on this video sometime this week, guys.
Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around a bit.